Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Cuban style chicken. They call this Fricassee de Pollo. In English, chicken fricassee. So I have there tomato, potato, sweet peppers, carrots, and garlic. I have, this one is lime, and this one is wine, white wine, soy sauce, that one is parsley, and paprika, cumin, and garlic, and also onions, ground onions. And this one I have 2 pounds of chicken breast, or you can use also the boneless chicken thigh. And I have this one bay ribs too. Okay, but first we have to marinate the chicken for 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's marinate the chicken. This is a cumin. I think I already mentioned that earlier. And this is the lime. I think I picked a small bowl. Should I get it a wide one? Just mix it well. That way the spice will coat evenly to the meat. Okay, let's put that in the fridge for a while. This one I just remove the seed, cut it like 3 times. That's it. Or maybe 2 times only. Depends how big. And this kind of potato, I don't really peel them, but just make sure that you wash it properly. I cut the onions at very last to protect my eyes. And leave the cherry tomatoes like that. You don't have to cut it. Okay. And now let's put some oil. Now let's add the garlic. Let's go ahead and add the onions too. Let's add the bay leaves. Let's add soy sauce. And the wine. And let's add a tomato. Then simmer the tomato like 3 minutes. Now let's add the chicken. Just mix it well. Leave it there like 3 minutes again. Now let's add the stock. Now let's add all the potato and carrots. Okay, let's simmer that until the vegetables is soft, like the potato and the carrots. Almost there. Now let's add the pimento. Mix it. We'll mix it up. Now you can adjust your sodium. It's ready to serve. Turn off your heat and ready to serve. Okay guys, here is my finish of my fricassee de pollo, chicken fricassee. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Alright, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay, see you next time.